Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. How are you today? Today I will gonna present it about variation. There is two types of variation. The first one is genetic variation. This is determined by genes. The example is like blood group and eye color. And then phenotypic variation is the observable characteristic influenced by genes and or environment. This is the example from this is the genetic factor, and then this is about genetic and environmental factor, and then this is by environmental factor. The example of genetic factor is like gender, eye color, blood group, and then inherited disorders. And then both is weight and height. And then the environmental factor is accent and scars. And then there is two types variation. I will tell you. There is continuous variation and discontinuous variation. The first one is continuous variation. This is a characteristic show a range of value with no clear categories. The example is height and weight. The graph is a bell-shaped curve illustrating continuous variation. The feature of continuous variation is no distinct classes or categories exist, and then the characteristics cannot be measured and fall with a range between two extremes. And then the second one is the discontinuous variation. This is characteristic fall into distinct categories. The example of like a blood group is this A, B, AB, and O. The graph is a bar chart showing distinct categories. The feature of discontinuous variation is distinct classes or categories exist. These characteristics cannot be measured over a range. Individuals cannot have features that fall between categories. Like this. Okay, and then this is the table of summary. The first one is the continuous variation. This is a feature can be measured across a complete range from one extreme to another. Data collected are quantitative data. The genealogies. Many logic that may be on different chromosomes. Number of alleles. Many pairs of alleles as many genes contribute to the inheritance polygeny. Then the effect of phenotype. Many in intermediate phenotypes between the extremes. The example is between shortest and tallest. And then environmental influence. Environmental has a significant influence for continuous variation. The example is height in human and milk yield in cattle. And then the second one is discontinuous variation. It is a feature from distinct classes or categories. Data collected are qualitative data. Example is discrete or categorical data. The generalizes usually only one, but may be a very small number. Number of alleles. Usually only one pair of alleles monogenic, but may be a very small number. Effect on phenotype. Feature either present or absent. The differences are discrete categories. Environmental influence. Environmental has a little to no influence. The example is ability to rotate human and human blood group. Jadi, kalau continuous variation itu yang variasinya itu yang bisa diukur gitu, kayak tinggi badan dan berat badan itu kan bisa diukur dan sewaktu-waktu itu bisa berubah, makanya dinamakan continuous variation gitu. Jadi variasi yang terus berlanjut karena tinggi badan dan berat badan itu nggak bisa stuck di situ aja gitu, bisa terus naik makanya dinamakan continuous variation. Dan ini tuh datanya tuh berarti bentuknya tuh kuantitatif ya, karena tadi itu misalnya tingginya dalam satu kelas itu ada berapa orang dalam satu kelas tuh tingginya berapa aja gitu, nanti bisa didata dalam bentuk graf yang kayak bell shape tadi gitu. Habis itu kalau continuous variation itu faktor lingkungannya itu bisa sangat mempengaruhi gitu, kayak tinggi badan itu bisa dipengaruhi oleh lingkungan gitu, nggak harus dari faktor genetik. Terus yang selanjutnya itu discontinuous variation. Jadi discontinuous variation itu dari namanya juga kelihatan kan discontinuous, jadi yang nggak bisa berlanjut gitu atau nggak bisa diubah, nggak kayak tadi yang continuous variation kayak tinggi badan dan berat badan itu kan masih bisa terus berubah gitu. Kalau discontinuous variation tuh nggak bisa, kayak contohnya blood group sama warna mata gitu. Itu karena itu kan emang udah bawaan dari lahir gitu, emang udah dari gennya gitu, makanya dinamakan discontinuous variation. Nah, jadi data yang dikumpulkannya itu kualitatif data. Jadi misalnya di dunia ini tuh disatuin gitu data, misalnya orang di dunia ini tuh yang memiliki golongan darah A berapa sekian orang, yang AB sekian orang, yang O sekian orang, gitu. Misalnya contohnya gitu. Jadi bentuk grafnya itu bisa kayak bar chart yang kayak tadi gitu. Terus faktor lingkungannya itu sangat kecil pengaruhnya gitu untuk discontinuous variation, bahkan hampir tidak ada sama sekali faktor lingkungannya gitu, karena emang udah bawaan dari genes. Misalnya ini ada kemampuan untuk menggulung lidah dan ini human blood groups. Okay, maybe that's all for me. Thank you, and I'm apologies if I have a lot of mistake during the presentation. I'm so sorry. Okay, thank you. And thank you. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Bye.